Hello, in front of me I've got AutoPro X. In this video I'll show you how to add Android Auto to any car with screen display. If your car does not support Android Auto or wireless CarPlay, you should consider buying this device. Thanks to this device, the system of the car is being replaced by the system of this device, something like Fire Stick or Mi Box. Connect it with the power supply USB port in your car. And next, on your smartphone with Android, go to Bluetooth settings and select AutoPro X. Once you are connected, you should have this screen on the screen display. Select Android Auto and it's done. Now you've got Android Auto on your screen display. You can also manage it via AutoPro X app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.